IS Traders operates with a specific mission to engineer automotive opportunities through the precise application of data and expertise. Within this framework, valuation is not a static price tag, but a forensic process designed to extract the latent potential of an asset. Consider an artifact of this caliber. In its current state, it is an isolated machine, its true market value obscured by the passage of time. Because market value is rarely apparent at first glance, it must be systematically uncovered using a proven methodology. The appraisal relies on three primary variables: documented provenance, the preservation of original materials, and mechanical integrity. This chart tracks the delta between perceived value and the quantifiable trajectory of heritage assets. As data points are verified, the actual market value climbs significantly above the initial baseline perception. Assessors perform a micro-inspection of the materials, documenting the specific wear patterns of century-old leather and the oxidation levels of period-correct brass. Mechanical viability is then tested using non-destructive techniques to confirm the engine block remains in its original, factory-specified condition. These disparate physical and historical metrics are synthesized to generate a fair valuation based on current global demand. This forensic approach converts a forgotten piece of history into a liquid, measurable asset with a clear place in a modern portfolio. Static value is only a starting point. To enter the collection, a vehicle's engineering must be proven in motion. The Quality Pre-Owned designation is reserved for vehicles that have survived a rigorous crucible of real-world testing. High-performance classic engineering is subjected to hostile environments, forcing the machinery to demonstrate its baseline structural endurance. During these off-road assessments, technicians monitor suspension stress points and mechanical tolerances to ensure the vehicle remains within its design parameters. Navigating this terrain serves as the final validation of its long-term resilience and build quality. The ruggedness of the trail gives way to the highly controlled environment of the client handover. Before the handover occurs, the vehicle undergoes a final restoration phase to ensure the interior and detailing meet the institution's collection standards. This flow diagram maps the logistics of the transaction. The transfer of legal title and liability is managed through a secure back-end, moving the asset from the institution to the client seamlessly. Once the legal transfer is complete, the vehicle shifts from a curated corporate asset to a personal possession. The objective is to deliver a vehicle with a proven history through a process that eliminates the typical frictions of acquisition. Beyond permanent ownership, the model also encompasses the logistics of temporary access. The modern rental fleet represents the next step in the mission, shifting the focus from the restoration of the past to the requirements of instant transport. While classic curation is slow and deliberate, the rental fleet relies on high-frequency deployment to meet immediate logistical needs. These vehicles move through the city as part of a continuous, managed flow, providing reliable mobility in complex urban environments. Managing this fleet requires a focus on turnaround efficiency and predictive maintenance to ensure constant availability. This ecosystem is designed to minimize logistical downtime, allowing the user to maintain their schedule without interruption. As shown on this network map, active nodes are distributed across the geographic area to ensure rapid response times. Dynamic deployment algorithms analyze real-time demand, shifting these nodes to high-traffic areas to guarantee instant access. The logistics of buying, selling, and renting are integrated into a single managed workflow for the client. This dual focus, mastering the value of historical assets and the logistics of modern mobility, provides comprehensive control over the automotive lifecycle. From uncovering a vehicle's legacy to engineering modern access, the goal at IS Traders is to guarantee uninterrupted forward motion.